Okay, so today we're going to integrate x plus 5 divided by x squared minus x minus 6 with respect to x. So just looking at this, we can't integrate because we've got a polynomial term in the bottom, which is a quadratic, and a linear term in the top. We need to do some algebra here to try and work this out. So let's have a look what we've got. X squared minus x minus 6 and x plus 5. So I think the best bet to start with is try some factorization, see what we end with. So x squared minus x minus 6, let's factor this. So it's going to be 2x's because it's x squared. Got a minus sign here, so it's going to be a plus and a minus. So minus 6, and we've got technically a minus 1 here. So factors of 6 can be 3 and 2 with 1 apart. So therefore, as it's minus x, we've got minus 3 and plus 2. Okay, right, now let's rewrite this integral out. X plus 5 over x plus 2 and x minus 3 with respect to x. Okay, so looking at what we've got here now, we can't do any cancelling out. So partial fractions is going to be the way forward. So let's do a nice little setup now. So let's write it out. X plus 5 over x plus 2, x minus 3 equals. So for decomposition, to decompose this into its partial fractions, we need to do this one and this one as two separate fractions with a numerator on the top with the variables a and b. So let's set this up. We've got a over x plus 2 plus b over x minus 3. Okay, let's just put brackets out of that just to keep it nice and tidy. So best things we can do here now is just do the cover-up method, I would say, because we've got x plus 2, plug in minus 2 there, that disappears. X minus 3, plug in 3, this one disappears. Okay, so first of all, let x equal minus 2. Okay, so when x equals minus 2, all we do is we make a equal this fraction here with x replaced with minus 2. So that then leads us to minus 2 plus 5 divided by minus 2 minus 3, which is minus 5. This one will disappear because that still becomes a 0. So you don't multiply by the 0 because that'd give you an improper fraction anyway. You can't have a 0 on the bottom. So that will then equal a. We'll just ignore the b because we're just trying to work out a. So then that gives us minus 2 plus 5, which is 3, and on the bottom minus 5. So that then just gives us minus 3 over 5. So now we know that is our a. Put the minus in there. Okay, so let's just write minus 3 over 5. Okay, now let's work out the b. So for the b to disappear, we have to plug in x equals 3. So for x equals 3, plugging in x equals 3 into this, we've got 3 plus 5. 3 plus 2 is 5, that's easy. And then this one disappears, so that's ignored. And then that will give us the b value. Simplifying this out, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 over 5. And as there's no minus sign, we just leave it there, and that's as simple as it will be. So b equals 8 over 5. Okay, so now we're ready to plug this back into here in this partial fraction decomposition. We could be ready to integrate. Let's have a look what we've got. So this now equals the integral of a, which is minus 3 over 5, divided by x plus 2 dx plus the integral of 8 over 5, a little bit neater, 8 over 5 divided by x minus 3 dx. Okay, still a little bit scruffy. Let's take these constant multiples out the front by the integral laws, and then just leave it with a 1 on the top. Makes it nice, a little bit neater. So then that gives us minus 3 over 5 integral 1 over x plus 2 with respect to x, and then 8 over 5, so we add 8 over 5 integral of then 1 over x minus 3 dx. Okay, right, I think we're ready to integrate now. So this and this with 1 over a linear term just gives us the natural log, and not forgetting the absolute value. So basically, if you integrate this, we get minus 3 over 5 natural log absolute value x plus 2 plus 8 over 5 natural log absolute value x minus 3. Okay, let's just see if we can just put the minus sign the other way there, and then the 8 over 5 at the front. Just writing this down here. I don't like to have my minus signs at the front. I like to put them in the middle. Sometimes they get missed out. So 8 over 5 natural log x minus 3 minus 3 over 5 natural log x plus 2, and not forgetting plus c. Okay, that gives us our answer. Okay, thanks for watching.